$600 million yachts? We're counting down the most expensive floating palaces on the planet. This is Top 5 Part 1. Number 5, the Icon. Valued at $130 million. This 67-meter Dutch masterpiece is the ultimate party vessel. It features a massive 5-meter infinity pool, a glass-bottomed jacuzzi, and a full-on beach club with its own sauna and gym. It's not just a boat. It's a 5-star resort that follows you across the ocean. Why check into a hotel when you can own the horizon? Number 4, the AMAV. Coming in at $250 million. Owned by a global steel tycoon, this 80-meter giant is pure opulence. It boasts a stabilized pool table, so you can play even in high seas, plus a cinema, a hair salon, and a private massage room. It was literally designed to be the best of the best in naval architecture. The AMAV doesn't follow trends. It sets them. Number 3, the Eclipse. A staggering $500 million. This is legendary. At 162 meters long, it's basically a private city. It has 2 helipads, a disco hall, and get this, a mini submarine that can dive 50 meters deep. For security, it's rumored to have a missile defense system and an anti-paparazzi laser shield that ruins digital photos. Absolute privacy in a world that's always watching. Wait until you see number 2 and number 1. One of them is gold-plated, and the other is basically a floating continent. Can you guess which yachts they are? Let me know in the comments. Part 2 drops tomorrow. Don't miss it. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.